lippy pencil. Oh snap. Oh snap. That's cute. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited for today's video. I hope you guys are too. So if you don't know already, I am sick. That's why I postponed this video to today instead of yesterday, so I apologize. But I still wanted this video up here, uploaded for you guys, so that's why we're here. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is going to be my ColourPop order unboxing. If you wouldn't, I don't know if you guys are going to believe me or not, but I actually placed 3 orders. 2 the same day and 1 the day after. Oops. So let's start with the first order. This is the first order I purchased or made. It's from ColourPop. Everything I ordered is from ColourPop. So when you first open it, yes, I did take a peek to make sure everything was right. And sadly, I ordered one item that was incorrect, but it's okay. So the first thing we have is ColourPop. Oh, my order list. I'm happy about that they gave me the list of orders. Their little card, ColourPop, and then ColourPop Forever, I believe is what it says. And lots of wrapping, which I'm happy about. So the first item we have, I'm gonna put that there. So I don't know if you guys know about the Zoella collection from ColourPop. I purchased quite a few things, almost the whole set, or the whole collection almost, but I did not. I said almost, not the whole collection, but almost. So the first thing I have here is a Swipe Right Pressed Powder Cheek, and this is a highlighter in the shade Swipe Right. So sadly, I meant to purchase the blush rather than the highlight, because this highlight, I'll show you right away. Packaging is adorable, but right away, it looks gold in the pan, yes, beautiful. But when you, does it still look gold? Yeah, it still looks gold, but as soon as you swatch it, it looks pink. Do you guys see that? It's pink. So I'm not a fan of a pink highlighter, so therefore I most likely won't be using this. I meant to get the blush instead, but it's cute, but just not my style. Just want to let you guys know. And this retails for, I believe, $8. I'll leave it on the screen somewhere how much this is. The next thing we have in the box is a lipstick. And look at how cute the packaging is. Look at that. It's so cute. And this is Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Little One. It's little eggs. Sorry, I'm itchy. I'm probably taking off my makeup. And this is the shade Little One. Duh, I just said that, didn't I? Well, so the problem with my order, or on my end, what I did wrong is I meant to purchase the lip bundle, which came with the matte lip and a lip liner, but I didn't do that. I got the solo lipstick. So I was like, oh no. So that is why I put multiple orders, because I actually wanted one lip kit, or what is that what you call it, a lip kit? I wanted one, the more nude one, but then I saw the pink one. I'm like, ooh, I like that too. So I bought that also in the third order. Yeah, so I will do swatches. I'll insert them in the next clips. Once I've showed you everything, I'll insert the, you know what, I'll do it live for you guys. I'll do a live swatches. But I'd rather do it with the lip kit because it's the same lipstick but with the pencil, you know? So the next thing we have in here is another lipstick. They also had a princess collection, Disney designer collection, and I got the lipstick that best suited me. They gave me a test, like, what princess are you? The first time I was Belle. The second time I was Snow White. But Belle was a little bit too dark of a, kind of a plum almost. And Snow White was red. Like, I'm not into those colors. So, and then I picked up Ariel. This is what I got. Isn't it beautiful, the little packaging? This is really pretty. And I'll swatch this for you guys too. But I love the packaging, like I said again. Super cute. Look at all that. does say Ariel on the bottom. And the shade, and this is metal, it looks very nice. This is the shade I got. Quick little swatch real quick. And it's right there. It's more up my alley. And by the way, it smells amazing. Did I get it on my nose? I hope I didn't get it on my nose. Let me find out if I got it on my nose. No, I didn't. Okay. So this is Ariel from the lipstick from the Disney Designer Collection. I think this is 7. Again, I'll list the price on the screen. And if you did not know already, I am not wearing any highlight right now, specifically because I wanted to try out this. This is the Becky G X ColourPop Loose Powder Highlight in the shade. Can you guys see that? Cheese meh. What's the cheese meh? And so let's go ahead and put it on right now. Why not? So I deliberately did not put any highlight so I could try this out for you guys. This is such cute packaging. This is what it looks like. Beautiful flowers. And then this is what it looks like. Becky G. I remember the first song I heard from her was Showers. What's that song? Well, I'll show you. Hey Google, Volume 4. Hey Google, play Showers by Becky G. So what is it?
Shower by Becky G, sure.
Watch, my video is gonna get muted because I put this song in here. Watch. Cause what's the safety cap? Ooh, falling out already. I need a lid. I'll get the lid real quick. Ooh, where's the lid? Okay. Inside, what of joy? I always seem to smile. Thinking in the shower. So I'm just gonna swirl it in there. I wanna see this with you guys. Okay, you ready? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. That's really pigmented. I've never used a loose highlighter. Put a bit on my nose. And there you guys go. That's the loose highlight in the shade Cheese Mix from the Becky G collection. What it looks like one last time. Wow, I like it. Hey Google, stop music. Okay, so the next thing I have is in the box. I'm like, where am I going? So I have, last but not least, from this order, this is the most exciting thing of all. You guys ready? You guys you guys all must have seen this already. Why can't I talk today? You know what I mean. But you guys have seen this before. You must have, because it's all over YouTube. It's all over Instagram. But I had to get my hands on it. This is the Zoella ColourPop Brunch Date Collection eyeshadow palette. So, pressed powder palette. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like indented, or like, you know, it's not flat. Which I like that. That's really cute. And they're waffles, if you guys didn't know. And these are the shades you get, the colors. And let's go ahead and take it out. Super cute packaging, just like the outside. And look at all those waffles and eggs and pancakes. I'm hungry. I haven't ate breakfast. I'm recording and sorry about that. So here we have the Brunch Date Palette. And here are the shades. How beautiful. So, yes, they're all naturals and neutrals, which is pretty common. But I really like this glittery. This glitter right here is beautiful, and that pop of blue is like awesome. So I'm not yet wearing this all today, only the highlight so far. But if you guys would like to see a try-on video, please give me a big thumbs up so I know and I can do it next. Okay, so the next thing we have is from the second order, which I already opened. Did I open this one? No, not this one. This one. So I opened it already, and I just got the same little letter, and this is what I ordered. And do you remember how I just explained that I wanted a lip kit instead of just a lipstick? Here it is right here. It's a little mail carton, you guys. A juice carton. And oh, it's called a lip bundle, not a lip kit. Lip bundle. And this is my day one lip bundle. Kind of got messed up in the delivery, but it's so cute. And the thing is, you don't have to open it from the bottom. You can, from the top. You can open it from the bottom. And now you have your lip pencil and your lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on right now. Let me just get some tissue. I'm wearing lip balm on my lips right now, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and apply that. So we have the lips pencil, lippy pencil, and little one. I've never used ColourPop lip pencils like this, so here we go. Right away, I can tell you, it is very creamy, which is a good thing. Oh, I dropped that like I always do. I drop everything. So this is the shade Little One. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is Little One. Dry down. It is ultra matte, so it will show the way it looks now. It will look like that. But again, this is the shade Little One. And this is the design. So I'm gonna go to take this off, and then I'll put the other lipstick that I ordered. So let's open it real quick. Interesting way to open it. And then you just get it in there. And there is the second one, all beat up again. I just opened it, so you're seeing it together. We're seeing it together. So this is the shade What Happens at Brunch. And then the shades are inside. The Ultra Matte Lip is At Me, and the lip pencil is Oh Snap. So I'm going to take this off, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the next one is What Happens at Brunch. Okay, lip pencil is Lippy Pencil Oh Snap. Oh Snap. That's cute. Okay. Feels a lot firmer and not as soft or creamy. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this lip pencil. Again, Oh Snap is not a fan. Apologize for my mess. I mean, it happens to all of us. Okay, so this one is Ultra Matte Lip in, where is it? At Me. The At Me sign? The At Me, I'm sorry. The At sign, okay, and Me. I'm like, this is very cool tone pink. I like it. I'm gonna wait till it dries down and I'll be right back. And here we have what happens at brunch, the lip kit. Sorry, the lip bundle. I really like this one. Honestly, I think I like this one more. I'm sorry, I like the liquid lip more than I do the nude one. Because it's like a pretty pink mauve, but it's not right in your face and it's not like too vibrant. It's really nice. I like this one a lot. So out of the two, I'm glad I bought this one second. Well, I'm glad I bought it. I bought it second, yeah, but I'm glad I bought it. So I covered my mess a little bit. Tried to. So you're gonna see it again, sorry. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, I don't want to take it off.
And apply Ariel, the last one I have. The last lipstick I have to use.
Okay. Sorry, I was blocking your view. Where is Ariel? Ariel is right here. So this is from the Disney Designer Collection. So, again, metal. Very beautiful. Let's go ahead and swatch it, or apply it. It smells so good. Okay. Whoa. Very creamy. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't think I was expecting it to be so orange. Do you see how orangish it looks like? Or is it just me? I mean, I'll wear it, but I was expecting something different. But for summertime, it'll be perfect. It'll be cute for summertime. But yeah, so I'm gonna cover my mess again, so you guys don't have to see that. And I'll link the ColourPop website down below so you can get your hands on these goodies. And yeah, that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It makes me so grateful to know that you guys are enjoying the videos. And a quick shout out. I am at 41 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am so grateful for you guys. You guys don't know how much it means to me to keep seeing it increase. I understand we're at 41, but you know, one day we'll be even more. Tomorrow we can be at 42, and before you know it. So again, just thank you so much for all 41 of you guys to being loyal to my channel. Thank you. Again, please subscribe so you can make it 42, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.